Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to multiply an entire column by a number in Excel. Let's get started. Let's say we have sales data and we want to calculate next year's sales target, which is 10% higher than the current sales. Typically, one approach is creating a new column and applying a formula to increase each value by 10%. But here's a faster way. Instead of adding a new column, input the multiplication factor in a cell. In this case, 1.1 for a 10% increase. Copy this value. Next, select the entire range you want to modify. Right-click and choose Paste Special. In the dialog box under Operations, select Multiply. Click OK. The entire column instantly reflects the multiplied values without needing an additional column. It's efficient and doesn't alter the original data. You can delete the factor cell afterwards as the result is independent of it. This method swiftly multiplies the column by a value in Excel, providing a static outcome directly in the same column. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this.